What's up, guys and girls? Zoe Nick in Argentina. This is a 57, 175cc. 175cc. That's the brand. Argentinian. All gear drives?
Yes.
No chain.
No chain.
No chain. Double overhead cam.
Double overhead.
Check it out from the other side. Look at that.
Made by famous constructor Oreste Berta.
Very, very nice. I love the battery placement. It's actually a perfect spot for a battery. You can get to it easy. Very dainty. It's probably so fast. Oh, very sweet. This was the first one. First bike made in Argentina. Look at that. This is a picture of them working on the engine, 1933, building this bike. One of the only ones known to exist in Argentina. Made here. Very early. But this race stuff's awesome, man. Full race. Same name. Never heard of it. All these are made in Argentina. This was actually an Italian brand that merged with that brand and became Argentinian. But it started in Italy. This one and this one. This company started in Italy, and then it came. The Italians ran to Argentina after the war, and it became this. So, no, it became this. I believe they all became this brand. There's a lot of brands of motorcycles in the world, and America has not heard of many of them. It's pretty crazy. Look at it. Look where we're at. First of all, look at that. We're way up in the mountains of Argentina. And this house is spectacular. Very cool. We're going to go upstairs in a bit, so I'll show you upstairs. All natural lighting. Alright, see you guys.
Puoi fare anche te, nosotros llegamos, arriviamo